Is your home a reflection of your potential, or just a collection of things you bought? Sparkles. Most people see a thrift store as a graveyard. At Beki Décor, we see it as a luxe resource. Today, we're decoding the upcycled transformation, turning discarded items into breathtaking architectural statements. Let's make your trash look undeniably high-end. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary for organic modernism and mindful transformation. I'm Beki. If you've been craving a home that feels like a soulful, expensive gallery but you don't want to spend thousands on new furniture, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering upcycled home decor. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use texture, scale, and material alchemy to curate a home that tells a story of elegance and sustainability. Let's reclaim the beauty in the overlooked. Let's get grounded. The Upcycled Revelation. Designer Secret 1. The Cast Iron Vessel Surface Alchemy. Luxury begins with tactile integrity. We're transforming this $1 plastic vase into a cast iron masterpiece. Step 1. Mix your paint with baking soda and coffee grounds for a gritty, organic texture. Step 2. Stipple it on, never brush. This is surface alchemy. By removing the cheap shine and adding weight through texture, you create a sophisticated silhouette that mimics heavy, forged metal. It's a breathtaking focal point for any shelf. Designer Secret 2. The Pedestal Bowl. Architectural scale. We're practicing material dialogue to create architectural scale. Step 1. Take two mismatched wooden kitchen items and glue them together to create a footed pedestal. Step 2. Use a monochromatic finish. This is a designer secret. When you unify two different shapes with one color, the eye sees it as a bespoke installation. It turns $5 of kitchen scrap into an undeniably luxe centerpiece that anchors your dining room. Designer Secret 3. The Aged Limestone Lamp. Textural depth. In an upcycled transformation, we use negative space and texture to create history. Step 1. Coat a dated lamp base in joint compound. Step 2. Sand it just enough to leave organic imperfections. This is textural integrity. The lamp stops looking like a thrift store find and starts looking like an unearthed aged limestone antique. It introduces sophisticated warmth into your bedroom for the cost of a bag of plaster. Designer Secret 4. The Linear Slat Frame Woodcraft Revamp. To make a space feel custom, we use linear rhythm. Step 1. Wrap a basic mirror or frame in vertical wood slats. Step 2. Stain them a rich, earthy tone. This is visual expansion. The repeating vertical lines draw the eye upward, creating vertical volume. It's an upcycled masterpiece that mimics high-end Japanese-inspired design, proving that breathtaking doesn't have to mean expensive. Designer Secret 5. Shadow Architecture. The Final Glow. The final 10%, the part that turns a project into a soulful sanctuary, is shadow architecture. Step 1. Place your textured pieces where the light can graze them. The shadows cast by the limestone and cast iron are what make these items look undeniably luxe. You've successfully transformed your space using nothing but material alchemy. You've turned the forgotten into the favorite. Senior Designer Secret 6. The Fluted Soul Architectural Texture. To truly achieve an upcycled transformation, we have to break the flatness of mass-produced furniture. Step 1. Apply half-round wooden dowels vertically across your cabinet doors. Step 2. Paint the entire piece in a single, dark matte tone. This is linear rhythm. By adding these raised ridges, you create a play of light and shadow that mimics a custom-built architectural installation. It's a senior designer secret that turns a $20 thrift find into a $2,000 statement piece. It introduces vertical volume and a sense of permanent luxury to your living room. It's no longer a cabinet. It's a breathtaking narrative of texture. Before you head out to your local thrift store, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, stylish home is exactly why I'm here. Every time you leave a comment or share your upcycled wins, you're helping us grow a community of mindful creators who know that beauty is found, not just bought. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to officially join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these transformations, remember, today wasn't just about DIY or decor. It was about resilience. It was about the beautiful act of seeing the potential in something that everyone else gave up on. Your home is the sanctuary where your soul rests. When you choose to transform a discarded object into a piece of art, you are declaring that beauty, and you, are worth the second look. You don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the soul in the scrap. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired, and stay grounded.